Do you want to enhance your TV audio in the blink of an eye without making too many changes? At Garvan, we have created the Soundbar SX908 in line with our design philosophy, and it is capable of providing you with a first-class listening experience. It is designed to seamlessly and elegantly blend into any environment thanks to the steel cabinet and the possibility of being painted in any color scheme desired. Any high-quality amp can be connected to a theater system to achieve superior audio performance compared to soundbars with integrated electronics, providing a more immersive and dynamic sound experience. The Garvan SX908 Soundbar has 3 channels, supports 90W RMS and 180W maximum power per channel, measures 11 to 127.6 cm in depth, and can be customized to any width to perfectly fit your TV's width. For more information, please contact us. Thank you. See you soon.